Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're painting a striking orca whale leaping under the moonlight in a calm, colorful seascape. This tutorial is part of our Animals series, and it's a wonderful way to explore blending, silhouette work, and simple details that bring your painting to life. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you want to keep painting with us regularly, tap the bell icon so you're always first to know when a new video drops. Here's the materials list for this painting. Pause here to gather these items and return when you're ready. You can also find this information listed in the description below. We'll begin with our background. Squeeze a few drops of phthalo blue, purple, and titanium white directly onto your canvas. With a damp, flat brush, start blending these colors in horizontal strokes. Keep your darkest tones toward the bottom and leave the lower middle portion a bit lighter for a glowing horizon effect. The key here is to keep your brush wet and your strokes soft. Let the colors transition smoothly. This will create a peaceful twilight sky for our orca. Once the background is dry, grab a dry filbert brush and gently dab in some purple clouds from the upper section to the middle of the canvas. Use circular motions and keep the forms fluffy and irregular. Lightly swirl the brush to soften the edges. Then add titanium white highlights with the same dry brush method. Take your time with this step. You can even layer in some loose clusters of clouds near the horizon. Next, we'll divide the canvas using half-inch masking tape, creating a small lower section for the water. Fill this area with phthalo blue, cobalt blue, and turquoise blue using horizontal strokes. Let the center stay lighter with turquoise and deepen the edges with the darker blues for a flowing water effect. If you see streaks, soften them out. Once blended, use thicker turquoise and white paint to add glowing highlights in the center of the water. This will reflect the moonlight and bring the scene to life. Take your time with this step. Now, let's paint the moon. Use a small filbert brush and white paint to create a full moon in the upper sky. Shape and refine the circle with a liner brush and add some subtle crater-like smudges using a darker blue. Around the moon, paint a soft white ring to simulate a moonlit glow. Blend gently with a liner brush and diluted paint for a dreamy effect. With the background complete, sketch your orca using a detailing liner brush or a charcoal pencil. Focus on the sweeping tail, strong dorsal fin, and classic markings. Fill the body with lamp black, carefully leaving space for the white patches on the belly, fins, and eye. Use white paint to fill in the remaining shapes and sharpen the edges for a clean silhouette. Around the tail, dab in a little turquoise and white for a splash of water, giving the illusion of movement and energy. Finish your painting with subtle moonlight highlights across the water surface using thick titanium white. Add a few stars in the night sky with your detailing brush. Don't forget to include one falling star for a magical final touch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, we invite you to explore even more at Acrylic Arts Academy. We offer both free and pay-what-you-can premium courses to help you grow as a painter and enjoy the creative process, no matter your skill level. You can get started at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new tutorial. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy painting.